I'm here to talk about the new Oxy 4 helicopter. There's going to be a couple videos in this series, and I'll kind of go over that real quick. So I'm going to have a what's in the kit video, what's in the box. Second will be the made in flight. Third will be we're going to be stretching the helicopter and also try some different things like going from the DFC setup to a traditional flybarless setup, and then giving a test flight of that. And then the last video would be stretching it to the 360 millimeter. I'll be running 350 Zeo energy blades, and I also have a little speed up here for the tail. So yeah, let's start with the what's in the kit. What comes with your helicopter when you buy it? Okay, so we're here in my garage. It's 10 degrees outside and it's not much warmer in here. So I gotta do this with my jacket on, it's freezing in. Okay, so let's start with the main frames here. Alright, and it has a very similar shape, or design I should say, to the other Oxy helicopters, Oxy 3 and Oxy 3. It is definitely different as far as the cutouts and the overall roundedness, I guess you could say, of the frame. Looks like 2 millimeter, I think. Alright, and then we have some stiffeners that I guess brace over here to brace where the motor mounts. Just kind of double that up. Okay, and you have two identical sides, so when you buy them, I have a spare. Alright, so next, moving down the list, we have the Zeo 325mm blades. These are standard 450 size blades you get. Okay. Let's see, here we have the tail boom with your tail push rod guide. And it's a different design where, get that camera. It's a different design that has two hooks, one going opposite directions, and then I'm sure you put the tail boom in there and then click it in there, so that way it doesn't pop out. You know, standard Oxy setup. You got your brace here where your tail mount goes to your tail fin, and your other side here, which we'll look at next. In the manual, they give you instructions on how to do all this stuff, but a lot of these parts do come assembled by the manufacturer, by Lynx or by Oxy, so you don't really have to do much to that. Same thing with this bearing that's pressed in here. One thing, it comes with two sets of tail blades. Okay, this is the 62mm one, and let's see if I can get that. But if you watched Luca's video, he goes through this whole thing about it, explaining why it has this like textured surface that they actually mold into it, which is really nice looking. Gotta get close. And one thing I like about the new tail blades is that they give you the size right on it. Okay, so it says Oxy and it says 62mm. Okay. And it also comes with a pair of 68mm tail blades. Okay. Alright. You have here, this is part of the tail servo mount. It's the standard mount, but then also has this carbon fiber piece here. Tail belt, standard tail belt. The inside is lined. It almost seems like it's like a Kevlar lined on the inside there. And you have your tail pulley here that this will go into, and just keyed in with the pin. Okay, you can see where the pin goes. Okay. Alright, and we have your tail pitch slider. Your tail grips. Really nicely, I really like the black coating on this. Here's your main head here. It's like a semi gloss finish. It's very nice. Okay. If you're used to the Oxy 2, it has the same style landing gear, which is amazing. I find that you break one side, you get a whole set, and you have a spare. Love the spares. Okay, so that kind of goes like that. And it also makes it really easy to remove when you do break it at the field. You just unscrew these 3 bolts on one side and then it loses the tension and you just pull it out, put a new one in, bring it back up. Great. Okay. Alright, next we have boom mount. And then you're going to have your pulleys in here, which are these 2 here. They're going to go in there, collars and a pin. The battery tray on my version is 3D printed. Very good 3D print work. There's actually, yeah, these 2 are separate pieces. Let's go to the mount there. Okay, main shaft. Looks just like Oxy 3 2. Let's see what else we have. We have your motor block. This fits, I think, what was it, 26 millimeter can. I think I have a 2618 X Nova coming for this. And you have your 3 main blocks. But this is very, you know, similar to the Oxy 2 phrase. Like, you have your main blocks that all the servos mount to, but also there's your main block for your main shaft. Main gear here. Here's the swash. I hope I'm getting these in the shot. I'm kind of working from the side, so I don't know what angle I'm getting here. And your main gear. So this is a little more similar to the Oxy 2. A little carbon fiber piece, kind of keeping the belt in. Very nice. Very smooth. I like that it says what tooth count right there, 152. Okay. Let's see here. Can't forget the canopy now. Here's the canopy. Okay. Great finish on it. I mean, you know, the colors are, they're bright. If you can get it kind of into the sun. Definitely different shape. This is going to be hard to kind of get on camera, I think, but you see there's like a bump right here. You can see it better from. Very aggressive looking. You see how tight it gets around the tail boom end. Love the Oxy colors. The helicopters, their stock canopy colors are very nice. Alright, so standard rubber, you know, batteries, tie downs. Comes with a pinion. Don't know how many count this is. I haven't counted it. Comes with servo arms. I'm not sure if I'll be using these or the ones that come with my servos. And then here's some extra parts, which is great. Give you extra servo horn, extra little bolts and stuff that always, you know, these things are still using small bolts, so can lose them real easy. Bunch of zip ties, big ones and small ones. Extra battery ties, your gyro tape, and of course ample amount of oxy, Velcro there, battery strap Velcro. Got the tail fin vinyl back there too, so you can color up whichever way you like. Am I missing anything? Yeah, I didn't really show some of the small parts. Here's the canopy mount, standard plastic mount. There it is. And the carbon fiber piece that it mounts to, and then this mounts to the frame. Yeah, anti-rotation guide looks very similar. Yeah, that's kind of the whole kit. It's not that much. I mean, if you look on the table here, it's not really that much stuff. Working with it. All right. So that's what comes in the kit. You do get your serial number 2 that I have somewhere else. All right. I can't wait to get this built. I got my manual loaded on my iPad here. I gotta get my tools out, and then yeah, start the build. Thanks for watching.